Hi, I'm Neil, and welcome to Wise Guides, where we give your team our best practices so you can get the most out of using SiteOwl. In today's video, we'll be talking about favorites and more importantly, how you should save your favorites, whether you should package them together or save them individually. But remember, favorites are your personalized collection of frequently used devices and tasks. Think of them as your toolkit, ready to be deployed at a moment's notice and help you save time not having to look through and search endlessly through a catalog of parts. So in my example today, I'm going to be building a door package for an access control system. Now the first option could be that I want to use a device package instead of just individually laying out the parts. The pros to this are, one, I don't have to guess what I think are all the different components that go part of this package since they're already saved that way. But more importantly, all the information in this package are saved, which then expedites my design process. So what ultimately happens when doing it this way is you get a more standardized process and much faster. The problem with this method though is if you have a really diverse spot or site, then it may require using different parts and pieces mixed together, which if you have a device grouping like this, then it may be more difficult to make sure that you have selected the right locks, whereas individually putting them in kind of helps validate that process. For example, I could drop in the specific reader I need, the specific lock I need, the specific door contact that I might need, and most importantly, the specific cabling that I need. This allows me to make sure that this is more accurate and I can leverage duplicate function if I need to copy this again, but it gives me the flexibility I need for those diverse sites. So in conclusion, whether you choose favorites based on flexibility and customization or opt for device packages for consistency and efficiency, SiteOwl has the tools to make designing faster, smarter, and better by using favorites. This was a SiteOwl Wise Guides video series where we explore SiteOwl best practices. Thank you for joining us.